Hey YouTube, Miles the Creator here, and it's just a simple video how to fix your Xbox ROD. As you can see, mine has red rings of death, so all you gotta do, hold on, and just plug it. Now, what you wanna do is turn it upside down. Let's see. Put your foot in the center of the Xbox and just tiptoe on it. Put pressure in the middle. Turn it on. And it's working. Thanks for taking the time to watch, and all you gotta do is just flip it back. So thank you for watching, and just hit the like button and leave any comments if you have questions or anything. Thanks.